was years ago, but I still see your face. Freckles on your cheeks, how you talked in your sleep. We had plans and I was your biggest dream, yeah. Then I didn't call for weeks, thought the love wasn't for me, no. Still think of you.
Hello, my lovelies. Welcome to Happy Mancher. Say hi. Hi, love you. And today we are headed down to the waterfront here in Victoria and Alfred. We are going to the harbour to catch a boat cruise, a sunset boat cruise. So join us today, my lovelies. Let's have some fun. Let's go.
Mistaken, we can grow old if you love me again, my friend. This time it's different, so please do not let me go. Please do not let me go.
So we are crossing this mall over to the harbour. This is called Victoria Wharf Shopping Centre, and we are just crossing over to the harbour side. So guys, we are at the harbour side, and I really love V&A Waterfront. There's so much to do. I always come here any chance that I get. So you can see Table Mountain right in front of us. The best views ever. And this is Tang. This is the restaurant we came to the other day. So once you sit in Tang, you can have all these beautiful views. This is the harbour in front of us. So let's just go down here so that I show you what's there. There's a lot to do here in Waterfront. There's a lot of restaurants. So this is the harbour. Let me quickly show you. You can see the boats over there. I think they have cruises hourly. Yeah, my friend wants to take a picture with this golden man. He's always here.
Come, let's get up. I'm scared he will change his pose.
My friend is busy making this man laugh.
Come, look at me. No, okay.
This is so funny. So let's walk around a little bit, guys, and see what's happening around here before we go on a boat cruise. So guys, like Waterfront is a very busy place to be in. There's just a lot you can do. There's a lot of entertainment. You can even sit right here where you see there's people sitting. You can buy food from the stalls over here and just enjoy your time here. Today the sun is out, guys. I'm so loving this. So right now we are going to look for a boat for our tour. My friend is having a blast. Hey. So guys, we found a perfect boat. This is the one, this is our boat, and these are the prices. So we took the sunset cruise, which is 500, but we negotiated to 350 rands per person. It comes with 3 glasses of champagne, and yeah, it's a sunset cruise, so I think it's gonna be fun. There's music, so we're gonna have so much fun. And this is the name of the company, Wild Horizons. Okay. So guys, we are going to board our boat right now. It's ready for us. It's almost 5. Let's go.
Than I can do to those guys. How long? Yeah, toilet, man. It's down there, man. Yeah, yes.
So this is the boat, guys. Who's the driver? I'm the driver. We'll sink. We'll sink. Guys, this is the toilet. Oh my god, it's so tiny.
I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now. So watch your feelings, the city's screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. People talk and tell what you wanna hear now.
Everyone is sitting out here, and we're just waiting to leave. Okay. Hi, boo. We have now departed, my lovelies. Look at these beautiful views. Wow.
Me and myself, I'm Tyson. Feel free, guys, to walk around on board. But if you do, one hand for the boat and one hand for yourself at all times. At the back here, there is a life raft. Under the cushions, we've got life jackets. Just doing that in case of emergency. On your left, we have a toilet. It's easy to use. There's some instructions also inside. If you have any problems, give us a shout. We will help you guys verbally from outside. We have a carriage bar on board. Like that when I say we're sparkling wine. If you're a smoker, grab a can. Have a seat here at the back and you don't smoke. Only cigarette though. If it's another thing, you share with Chawe. You're allowed to sit in the front. Just mind anything might fall off. Camera, cell phone, lost change, car keys. If it falls in there, it's gone. Feeling seasick, Please guys, do not go to the toilet, you will feel worse. We've got three options. You sit here at the back where there's less movement, or you go on the side and pick the fish. Or we give you a doggy bag, write your name and the date, you will do your thing. We'll pack it nicely, we'll give it back to it belongs to you. Emergency exits, they're all over the boat. Pick a spot, jump. Other guys sit back, relax and enjoy the cruise. And one more thing guys, please, when you're standing, don't stand here. Barney won't see where we're going. Okay?
Thank you.
Other guys sit back, relax and enjoy the cruise. Thank you.
Thank you. Guys, our Capetown. Hey. Cheers. Guys, these are spectacular views, but it's cold. Look at the beautiful view of Table Mountain from here, guys. Absolutely fascinating. So beautiful.
Whoa, that's amazing. Oh my God, I can't believe my eyes. Oh wow, so lovely. Hello, mommy.
Do you see the whale?
It's load shedding now.
In a boat.
It's him. You didn't charge the boat. You didn't charge the boat this morning.
So how are we moving now? You didn't check much?
The boat.
Forward.
Guys must all donate the 20 rand towards electricity for this boat.
Meet my lovely friend who's been helping me take amazing videos. What's up? Chomi. You must pay me. And this is our lovely host who's busy pouring us wine. And look at that sunset, guys. So amazing.
Oh, not on duty, mate. None for you on duty, eh?
Show me, yes, that's about the music.
Oh, no, it's gonna play now. I just want to see the world.
Oh, okay. Her friend is busy jamming.
Wow, that's beautiful.
She wear yellow, she's your mellow.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Later, it comes later, dear. For many of us, I promise you that we learn through the wrongs, and even the rough can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know. Beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. It's gonna take some time to get there. I don't care. I'm in for the fight. It's gonna take some time, but I know that.
Guys, let's go back.
Don't play.
Let's go back. It's not enough.
Sorry guys, if I can grab your attention for the last time. This one.
Hi, Chomi. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. We had such a beautiful time. Guys, did you see that sunset? Amazing. It was beautiful. The views were beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this video. Me and my friend had an amazing time. What do you have to say, Lovey?
It was spectacular.
Yeah.
It was beautiful. I've never seen something like that. The sunset was amazing.
Beautiful.
I loved it to the T. And I'd say anybody out there who wants to experience such shouldn't hesitate to come to Cape Town. Wow, it was
100%.
amazing. Yeah, I loved
It was beautiful. It was beautiful. So guys,
And the music is wow.
Oh, the music is beautiful. We had an amazing time. Like literally, we're still in the boat. Look at this, guys.
We can't leave the boat.
We are still on the
What are you
boat,
doing?
and we just decided, okay, let's finish our drinks and chill just a little bit, and then. But we are gonna go out now. We are gonna leave the boat, and I don't know, maybe find a restaurant to eat, right?
Yeah, for dinner.
For dinner. Yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I had such a beautiful time with my friend, and I will see you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, share my videos with your family and friends. Make sure you click on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on my upcoming videos. From me today, it's all love.
And from me, bye.
Toodles,
Vicio de la fama sí me hizo daño. Tantas promesas fueron por el caño. Porque lo único que cumplí son años. Chica, si te vas y luego me quieres ver.